Hello, I'm Officer Cadet Brendon. I'm currently a second year at ADFA and I'm studying a Bachelor of Electrical Engineering with honours. I chose to study at ADFA because I always wanted to become an engineer. I was initially unsure if I wanted to join the Defence Force because I was unsure about the work-life balance. However, I did one of the ADF gap years and realised that I enjoyed the Defence Force and wanted to stay in the RAF. I guess probably how much leave you'd have. I kind of expected you to be working, like you wouldn't have much leave at all, but it turns out you have plenty of time to kind of go home and see your family and do what you like to do. I'd say the difference between ADFA and a civilian university is that ADFA focuses more on personal and professional development and we live all together in the same sort of accommodation, so you're much more closer with your friends. And yeah, compared as well to the civilian universities where I find you still get the academics, but they just kind of focus purely on what you're doing at school. But ADFA offers more, I'd say. Some of the incentives of joining ADFA, for instance, is that you get paid while studying, which is quite nice actually. I won't have a HEC set because Defence will pay for the degree. Our classes at ADFA are basically the same as normal universities. We cover the same sort of content, except that for ADFA, the classes are a lot smaller compared to some of the civilian universities. You'd have your lecturers know you by name. Usually at ADFA, the roll call is about 7 o'clock in the morning. You would go to the mess, grab some food, and your first timing would be about 8 o'clock, which would usually be joint military education, which is either physical training, which is where you do a PT, or it'd be a lecturer from one of the staff, or you're an ex-serving member. This sort of JMET period, joint military education period, doesn't go towards your academics, but is more focused on your personal development. After that JMET, joint military education, we would have academic periods, which is where you just have your university classes, which goes from about 10 o'clock to about 4 p.m, 6 p.m. If you're unlucky. So I build and race some FPV drones, which is the first person view drones. You wear a first set of goggles and you fly them around and race other people. What I enjoy about ADFA is that my mates all live together, and like if I ever need help, for instance studying for an exam or need to get something done, usually you just kind of walk around the corner and the mate's door's open. Really helpful. So while you live on campus, you've got access to the gym, got ovals, so we've got to do sports. There's also a bank, a hairdresser, and there's also Afghans as well, which is you get food if you feel extra hungry. And there's also the mess as well, so if you want to get cheap food, you go eat the mess. I do not have any immediate family who joined the Defence Force. I just kind of joined because I heard the benefits and the ability to kind of travel while getting paid and getting trained up as well was very appealing to me. If you're thinking of joining ADFA, I recommend just do it. You get a guaranteed job afterwards, you get paid while studying, and you make lifelong friends while here.